don't think you can take their guns, those guys. There it is.
I don't want to do it now. You got a camera on me. What?
Face.